Hi, Ken here with another tip. Today we're going to talk about high voltage insulators, the types, and when to use and not use oil. So during a preventative maintenance inspection or during a tube replacement, you are to inspect and replace, if necessary, the insulator discs. So these are two styles of insulator discs that are in the CT world. So for your CT tubes, basically, you'll be dealing with one of these two. You have your standard flat 3-pole silicone washer or insulator disc, and then you have the new style, which again is a 3-pole, but we see that it is a ribbed on both sides, and it is asymmetric. So these are the new style. These are going to come with all these Straton-type tubes. But they can be used with the other tubes as well. The main point with these is that when you use these types of discs, you do not need to use the silicone oil because it is already impregnated into the disc. And second of all, because it is asymmetric, you put the larger rib towards the candlestick end, and the smaller rib goes into the well of either the tube or the high voltage tank. If you're using the flat discs, they are symmetrical, so there is not a or B side. And also these require the use of silicone oil so that you moisten both sides of the disc, one to remove air between the disc insulator and the candlestick itself, and then to moisten the other side that goes into either the tube or HV well. Lastly, when you're doing this, you'll also inspect and replace, if necessary, the silicone rings that go around the top of the candlestick. Basically, these allow you to be able to seal the port when you lock down the ring on the outside of the high voltage cable itself. For more information or tips like this, see the description.